12 ways to decorate with greenery. If you haven't already used eucalyptus everywhere in your house, you're about to start. The eucalyptus tree has a very distinct and clean fragrance, so you should always opt to use fresh over fake. Scattering fresh branches of eucalyptus across your mantle as Michelle Janine did, is a gorgeous way to add a beautiful burst of greenery to your living space. Keep the rest of the look neutral to really allow the plant to stand out. If you're looking for a new twist on fall pumpkins, this greenery and pumpkin basket look from Craftberry Bush is a chic way to celebrate the season without going over the top. Any green plant will do for this look, but we love this knotweed version that adds a touch of light color to the piece. Go big and fill a whole basket, or sprinkle white pumpkins and greenery in small arrangements throughout your house. Who says a bar cart has to be filled with alcohol? DIY your own cart and then fill it with greenery for a fresh look that works in any room like the one above from Firm Living. Fill the cart with herbs like rosemary or thyme, and it becomes both beautiful and practical. This is a totally simple, but absolutely stunning DIY from Fall for DIY. Simply attach a few branches of eucalyptus to any hanging mirror and you have a lovely wreath-like display that will inspire you every morning. This year, we are all about elephant ear plants and banana leaf, and this place-setting style from Studio DIY and Balloon Time is an innovative and fun way to use this trendy plant in your home. Nearly any large palm leaf will do, and while you can find great faux versions out there, we recommend heading to your local florist for a few real clippings to achieve ultimate tropical island goals for your next dinner party. Try greenery in the bedroom with this simple fern and ivy garland from Dale Marie. You can pick up a faux arrangement at any craft store, just be sure to combine a few different versions for a more realistic look. Whether woven through a bed frame or placed as a table runner, the garland is modern and beautiful. If you're feeling a little more adventurous than pillar candles, try this simple floating candlestick centerpiece from a reefinaria that your guests will love. Rosemary, fern or magnolia leaves are all great choices for this look. Just add water and clean glass wine bottles, and you'll never miss that floral centerpiece. Welcome your newest addition to the world with a bright and airy wreath, like this one from 100 Layer Cakelet. Fresh eucalyptus or forest fern are great choices for this simple hanging wreath that you can put together in an afternoon. Copper has been a trendy decor choice this past year, so why not add some lovely air plants, like the plants shown here from Poppy Talk, to really bring this style into your home? Air plants, like succulents, are incredibly easy to keep alive and can brighten up any space. Just a few copper PVC pipes and some stained wood can recreate this look for any room in your house. Try placing a few sprigs of eucalyptus in a wall hanging. This hippie-inspired look from Poppy Talk is great for any room in your house. You can even easily DIY a yarn wall hanging without any knotting or weaving experience. Make any party festive and fun by stringing palm leaves garland style above the bar like the one above from Inspired by This. While we love this outdoor tiki feel, recreate this inside your home by stringing elephant leaves above a bar or buffet table. You probably have a few old lanterns hanging around your house. If you don't, they're very cheap at flea markets or craft stores. Repurpose them by placing greenery inside instead of candles. This fern-filled lantern arrangement from The Given Life is perfect for a cozy coffee table or a dinner table. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.